So I want to share with you how I was able to quit my full-time job in April 2019 and 5 times my old salary, retire my mom forever last year, right? And I did it all using a business model online where I sell digital products, okay? Now here's the thing, okay? There are a lot of people talking about making money on the internet, and they say that you can get rich quick and all that kind of stuff, but sometimes it takes a little bit of time to have success, right? So I've been in the industry since 2009. I started my business online since then, but I failed for a very, very long time. It took me 8 years and I spent tens of thousands of dollars. I bought a lot of coaching, I bought a lot of products, I made a ton of mistakes, and I couldn't figure out how to be successful, right? So much so that I went broke in 2015, 2016. I had to find a full-time job again. It was a very low point in my career, right? I joined a brand new company, but on the side, I would come back home every single night and tinker away at my business because I knew, even back then, that the internet was very, very powerful. This is before anybody, knew about Shopee and Lazada. This is way before any of these companies were launched, okay? So I was ahead of the game, but I still couldn't figure it out, right? Finally, in 2016, I met a mentor, who's my current mentor right now, who showed me exactly what I was doing wrong, and I changed the way that I was selling online to add a lot more value. So instead of just trying to sell people all the time, I started to teach people, I started to train, I started to add value, I started to answer their questions, and that's how I changed from being broke to generating my first $1,000 in sales. This was back in 2016. Then I was making $5,000 a month, then $10,000, then 20, then 30, then 40, and now I've generated over $1 million in sales online, and you can see that right now, right? So how did I do that? I did that by not giving up. I did that by having a dream and knowing that I could have a much, much better life than just, working a full-time job and wearing a suit to work every single day, getting stuck in traffic on the way there, on the way back. I mean, having a job is one of the most soul-sucking things that any human being, could go through, unfortunately, right? And I'm very, very grateful that I stayed the course because I was finally able to quit my job full-time in April 2019, and now I'm a 100% digital marketer that works from home 100% of the time, all right? Selling digital products to people all over the world. Now, the reason why I tell you this story is because those of you who are watching me on my TikTok channel right now, you probably have a dream. Maybe you have a goal. Maybe you have big plans for yourself, right? But you don't know how to get there. I completely understand, because in 2009, which was like 15 plus years ago, I was you. I was trying to figure out a way to get out of my full-time job, but I had no idea what I was doing, okay? So if that's you, I'm just here to tell you that it is possible. All right, there are business models out there that can change your life. There are ways that you can create more income 100% from home without necessarily having to be in a full-time job, right? And on this channel, I teach you how to do that, okay? So if you're not following me, I recommend that you follow me on this channel, okay? And if you just want to find out exactly how I did it, how did I, completely change my life? How did I replace my full-time income? Again, this is just a guide, right? It's not a guarantee. Remember, you still have to put in the work. If you don't do any work, you're not going to get any results, right? You and I are both adults here, yeah? I'm sure that you understand that. So if you would like to see what I'm doing, just click on the link in my profile inside of TikTok, right? And you're going to see the exact same training that I went through. And then check your email, because every single day I'm going to send you some free training where you can learn from me step by step, and hopefully you can achieve the same things that I was able to achieve. Good luck to you, and speak to you soon.